Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Dodge Challenger trunk struts. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a sturdy prop rod. Safety is paramount, so ensure the trunk lid is securely propped open to prevent accidental closure. Working in a well-lit space will also help you clearly see all the components. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old struts. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the small retaining clips at each end of the strut. Once the clips are off, gently detach the strut from its ball joints on both the trunk lid and the vehicle body. Remember, the trunk lid will become significantly heavier once one or both struts are removed, so be ready to support it. With the old struts removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take one new strut and align its ends with the ball joints on the trunk lid and the vehicle body. Firmly push each end onto its respective ball joint until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Repeat this exact process for the second trunk strut to ensure both are properly installed. Finally, let's test your new trunk struts. Carefully lower and then raise the trunk lid a few times. It should open smoothly and stay open on its own without any manual support. Double-check that both new struts are firmly attached to their ball joints and operating correctly. If everything feels secure and functions as expected, you've successfully replaced your Dodge Challenger trunk struts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.